Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology one day before an exam. Begin by identifying the most crucial topics from your course material. Spend about 1/4 of your study time quickly reviewing your existing notes and textbook summaries. This initial scan helps you pinpoint areas requiring more attention, ensuring you maximize your limited preparation time effectively. Next, engage in active learning. Instead of just rereading, challenge yourself with practice questions or flashcards. Try explaining concepts out loud as if teaching someone else. This reveals gaps in your knowledge. Drawing diagrams for key processes, like the Krebs cycle, can also significantly boost your retention and comprehension. Now, focus on summarizing and visualizing. Condense your notes into one-page summaries for each major topic. Create simple flowcharts for complex biological pathways, such as protein synthesis. Visual aids and mnemonics are powerful tools for quick recall, helping you remember intricate details and sequences efficiently under exam pressure. Finally, prioritize rest and a quick review. Aim for a full 7 to 8 hours of sleep to consolidate your learning and ensure mental clarity. On exam day, eat a good breakfast to maintain focus. A brief, 20-minute review of your summaries right before the exam can refresh key facts, setting you up for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.